Hi, I'm Coach Jay, and welcome to my channel.
Money or passion? Career or survival? Ang daming tao nagtatrabaho araw-araw, pero tanong ko lang, ginagawa mo ba yan dahil mahal mo ang trabaho mo o dahil kailangan mo lang ng pera? Kung hindi mo pa alam ang sagot, baka dito mo marirealize kung bakit ka pa pumapasok sa trabaho mo.
Hey buddy, just a quick one. If you like it here, please subscribe and follow me for more videos.
Let's be real, ang daming tao stuck sa trabaho na ayaw nila, pero sige lang kasi may sweldo. Pero paano mo malalaman kung pera lang habol mo? Simple. Kung every Monday morning parang torture ang pagpasok, kung lagi mong binibilang ang oras hanggang uwian, kung ang pinaka-exciting part ng trabaho mo ay ang sahod, not the actual work. That's not love, that's survival. Pero kung mahal mo ang trabaho mo, iba ang vibe. Kahit pagod ka, may sense of fulfillment. Kahit overtime, hindi ka nagrereklamo kasi alam mong may meaning. Passion feels like energy. Money feels like obligation. Now, the big question, will you survive kung pera lang habol mo? Oo, maybe for a while. Pero long term, burnout, stress, resentment. You'll wake up one day realizing na ubos ka na. Kasi pera can buy comfort, pero hindi niya mabibili ang peace of mind. Funny thing is, minsan akala natin love natin ang trabaho. Pero truth is, we're just tolerating it. Kasi may benefits. Kaya ang daming tao nagiging zombie sa corporate world. Work, eat, sleep, repeat. Walang spark. Walang growth. Walang love. So ask yourself, are you working to live or living to work? Kung pera lang, you're just renting your time. Kung passion, you're investing your life. So my best advice, don't settle for being a zombie na nagbebenta lang ng oras. Find or build work that excites you, challenges you, and makes you proud. Kasi kung pera lang habol mo, you're renting your life. Pero kung passion ang habol mo, you're investing it. Now, sagutin mo ng diretso. Are you surviving for the paycheck? Or are you living for the purpose?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more videos.